Hi, today I will show you how to download PS5 game disc. I have Black Ops 4 disc with me. Take out the disc and insert it in your PS5. Make sure to insert in correct way. Not this way, it will show error. This is the correct way. Wait for few seconds after inserting. There you go, your Black Ops 4 installation has started. Press PS button on controller and go to downloads. You will see your installation status here. You can also download games from PlayStation Store. Go to PlayStation Store and select search option. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now type the name of game. I am typing Fortnite. Now select the game. You will see download option. Press the download option. Your download has started. Go to downloads from above notification. You will see the installation status here. That's it. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has thousands of games available for you to download and play for cheap using their discount codes. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.